Ngishawa Uvalo anginothandweni ngatatasela awengabiyosala nkomo.
So far we know that this hit song will be out on the 5th of July 2025. Ngizwa Ngishawa Uvalo by Mr. Double D2 posits a soulful journey into the emotional high stakes of love and fear. While detailed album credits are scarce online, the title, I Feel Like I'm Burning with Fear, in ISI Zulu, immediately suggests an emotional, introspective theme. Mr. Double D2 is known for heartfelt lyrics and soulful delivery. Ngizwa Ngishawa Uvalo captures Mr. Double D2's signature grit, a heartfelt R&B soul track rooted in Zulu linguistic and emotional tradition. Expect a mellow, reflective soundscape where every note and lyric pulls you into a place of introspection. Here's a snippet of the song.